Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep your parts organized. It's also a good idea to wear gloves to protect your hands. Begin by disconnecting your Dyson SV12 from the power source. Locate the screws on the main body of the vacuum. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the top cover. There are usually 4 screws to take out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover off. This will expose the internal components of your vacuum. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust buildup. It's best to clean this with a dry cloth to ensure a clear view of the motor assembly. Next, identify the motor. It's typically located near the bottom of the vacuum. Use the Torx screwdriver to unscrew the motor's mounting screws. These screws may vary in size, so keep track of which ones belong where. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any hidden screws or clips. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. Make sure to note how the wires are connected. Taking a photo can be helpful for reassembly. If you're unsure about any step, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. With the old motor removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new motor in the same position as the old one. Connect the wiring harness back to the new motor, ensuring a secure fit. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about this process, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you. Next, secure the new motor by replacing the Torx screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten them, as this can damage the motor. Now, place the top cover back onto the vacuum. Line it up carefully and press down gently to ensure it fits snugly. Reinsert the Phillips screws to secure the cover in place. Remember to double-check that all screws are tightened properly. No calls, no travel needed when you can do this at home. Once everything is back in place, plug your Dyson SV12 back into the power source. Before testing it, take a moment to inspect your work. If everything looks good, turn on the vacuum to ensure the new motor is functioning properly. If you experience any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and costs. Finally, enjoy a cleaner home with your newly repaired Dyson vacuum. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs can extend the lifespan of your device significantly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.